Hello guys, welcome back to Careers Drive YouTube channel. Biggest off-campus drive is here with 6 different companies, including Wipro Elite hiring. So watch the full video and subscribe. So let's talk about the first job. So this job is from Siemens, company which is global, considered as a global level high-profile company. And currently Siemens is hiring fresher for graduate trainee engineer role for a full-time job. And your job category will be IT. And to qualify this job, you need a bachelor's degree in BE or BSc or BCA in computer science. Along this, you need strong programming, knowledge in Python or SQL. Your work location will be Bangalore, Karnataka. Next job is from Optum Company. And let me tell you something, according to several reviews, Optum is generally considered as a good company for fresher. And Optum currently hiring freshers for associate software engineer role for full-time job. So must apply for this job because this is highly paid job in India. And let's talk about the eligibility criteria. To eligible for associate software engineer role, you must have degree in MCA BE Tech and with a knowledge of Java, Spring and full stack. And your work location will be Gurgaon, Haryana. So next job offer is from Wipro. Wipro launched their official Elite of Campus hiring for project engineer role, in which your work is to develop and maintain embedded software for next generation products. In this role, you will work with various software components like system configuration, application, software middleware, etc. You will conduct software testing and debugging. I will recommend you to read this job responsibilities. We rewrite this job responsibility in simplest form for you because we cannot cover all things in single video. So let's move to eligibility criteria. First, you must be 18 years old. Second, you must complete your any degree in 4 years. Maximum 3 years of gap in education is allowed between 10th to graduation. Minimum 60% marks in 10 and 12. Your graduation must be BE or B Tech in mechanical instrumentation, automotive, computer science, electronics, IT, or cybersecurity. And your job location will be pan-India. Along you can get 3,50,000 salary with flat bonus post 6 months from joining. Make sure you must read this job description before apply. Fourth job is from Canonical, which is also good company for fresher. And this job is home-based means work from home. Canonical is hiring freshers for junior cloud field engineer role with a full-time job. In this job, you will work with all parts of the Linux operating system from its core to top level. You'll design and create open source software using Python language. To qualify this job, you need any bachelor's degree in computer science or related field. You'll primarily work from home might be, but still you occasionally travel for industry events and conference. Next job is internship. This internship is offered by Qualcomm, which is also global, level high-profile company seeking, and currently software engineering intern, with a full-time intern opportunity. And you just need a bachelor's or master's degree in computer science with strong knowledge in C and C++ and object-oriented design. Your work location will be Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, and Noida. Must apply for this job and comment if you face any problem. So now, the last job which is offered, which is on, are Unisys by American multinational IT service and consulting company. And this company currently hiring freshers for junior cybersecurity engineer. If you have degree in BA, Bachelor of Arts, or BS, Bachelor of Science, then you are eligible to apply. So how you can apply? Check description, you can find apply link. Click on that link, you will redirect the job description page and scroll down to read it. You will find apply button, click it and apply. If you face any issues while applying, do let us know in the comment section. Remember, before apply, you have to make your resume according make description. And if you have portfolio and skills given in job description, then highlight it. It's just a tip, so follow it and get this opportunity.